Welcome back, Ramblers. We got a great video for you coming up. It's out with the old mattress and in with the new. Specifically, an RV mattress by Brooklyn Bedding, known for their top-of-the-line quality and comfort. We'll show you how easy it is for you to get your very own RV mattress online with free shipping right to you. And we're going to save you some money. A little later on, I'll give you a code to use at checkout. But for right now, let's get rambling, Ramblers.
All right, Ramblers, we are here today to show you the best improvement you can do for yourself when it comes to your RV.
Learn from our mistakes or our misjudgment, because this should have been done day number one. As soon as we took that RV right off the lot, we should have replaced the mattress.
This is the original mattress, the one that came in the RV, and very similar to the one that comes in most RVs. Check this out. I do not think there are any springs at all in this mattress, and it's actually quite thin. I mean, very light for me to pick up. I cannot believe we waited this long. Let's get this out of here. We spent 4 years on that mattress. I don't know why. Well, we did buy a mattress topper. We did go get a nice topper at Costco,
Yeah.
Put it on there, and we liked that for maybe a year, and then it was just taking up too much space.
I think we just tolerated it for a year more than liked it. It was nothing, it's almost like you could have gone down to the Big Five or some hardware store and just grabbed some real thick foam. And that's what it was pretty much, you know, when you put a sheet around some foam. And you know the drill. If you own an RV, you know for a fact that the original mattress is just a placeholder for what should actually be there. And so lucky for you guys, right now we have RV mattress by Brooklyn Bedding, and we're going to show you our good fortune. It's something we should have done a long time ago.
What makes Brooklyn Bedding so special is that their mattresses are designed, assembled, and shipped from Arizona. There's no need for a middleman when you're ordering online.
It only took us a few minutes to choose what we wanted because we already did the measurements ahead of time, and it was so easy to do. We had it within about a week. It was shipped to us directly. It is the easiest thing, is not even anything complicated that would get you into an argument with your spouse. It's pretty simple. We had a little bit of trouble. We'll have to show you because we probably got so excited we didn't look at where our mattress, what side it was on, and we didn't, but it was still very easy.
Yeah, we got
to
it figured out.
Oh my goodness, it's already working. We gotta see if it's turned the right way. Oh my. Oh, that's the bottom. Isn't that the bottom?
Yep.
That's the bottom. We gotta flip it over real quick. Hold on, hurry. We didn't do a good job.
That's all right. That's all right.
Okay. Now we gotta see where the tag is. That's the end. Now
Here, I'll get her.
we did not follow directions well.
Okay.
Well, we showed you everything not to do.
We may not be the sharpest knife in the drawer, but we still do cut a little bit. So we did manage to get it done, and it worked out real well.
Yeah, it was super easy. I regret not doing it sooner. It is really nice, but from start to finish, once you do your measurements, they walk you through it. They ask you what you want. There's 22 different styles. There's 5 different heights, 3 different types of like firm, medium. Most people know this, but just in case you don't know this, you cannot just find a mattress for your RV anywhere. But to get the exact size that fits your RV, you do the measurements, go on to the website, and they have it. They have exactly what you're going to want. And here are some of the best benefits. You get 120 sleep nights to see if that mattress is working out for you. And if it's not after 120 nights,
just contact RV Mattress and they're going to be more than happy to help you as far as the procedure of swapping it out. And not to mention, your mattress does come with a limited lifetime warranty as well.
there are so many pluses to this. Why would you not do it? Why would you not make that move? And I'm really regretting that we didn't make it sooner, because the moment it unboxed, the moment it started to expand and we watched it, I was like, this thing is plush. This is nice. And we show you the comparisons between the old one that we got out, which is like a piece of foam maybe.
Terrible.
And the new one. And it doesn't matter. We know people who have very nice RVs, very big, expensive RVs, but they still don't get good mattresses in them. This is one of the best things. And your sleep is so important. And in order to have a day of RVing, being able to drive those long drives, being able to unhook and do things without being a little bit off, you really need a good night's sleep. Same thing with hiking or traveling, anything else. Your sleep is very important, and for your health, obviously. Having a good mattress Getting a good night's sleep is very important, and that's why we think you should take the time, go online to Brooklyn Bedding, check out RV Mattress, and see what you think. With that 120-night sleep trial, you might as well get started now, and luckily, we have a code for you.
With our discount code, you're going to get a discount of 30% with going through Just Ramblin' Around. So right now we're going to help you out with a discount, and you can either you can scan the code right here and get a 30% discount through RV Mattress by Brooklyn Bedding, or you can click on the link in the description below and that will send you right over to the website with a 30% discount to get your new RV mattress. So once again, we'd like to thank Brooklyn Bedding and RV Mattress for sponsoring this video. We should have done this day one. And so we want to give a special thanks to RV Mattress and Brooklyn Bedding for making this all possible. And I will guarantee you, we will enjoy it.
We will do a follow-up video this coming spring to let you know our results and how it's going. And we want to hear from you. Did you order it? And let us know what you think. All right, Ramblers, thank you for just rambling around.
Hey Ramblers, thanks for watching this video sponsored by Brooklyn Bedding and RV Mattress. Be sure to check out the description below for your 30% discount, and make sure you hit subscribe, like, hit the bell icon to stay notified of future videos coming up. We got a lot of rambling to do. Thanks again, Ramblers.